Hey guys, welcome back to the Green Homestead. We're gonna compost every damn thing now that it's fall time. This lantana bush is getting composted. Just gonna trim it down, mulch it up in the lawnmower. These canes right here, all the flowers, they're gonna die in a couple weeks. So we're gonna compost all that, mulch it up in the lawnmower. Tomato plants, deer whistler. I wanted to give you an update on the do-it-yourself organic compost. So here it is. What I did is I got two more bins done, two more heaps, twice the size as that original one from about a month ago. So what I did, my starter bin, is took the top. This was empty over here. Took the top, flipped it, put it on the bottom. Took the middle, flipped it, put it in the middle. Took the bottom, flipped it, put it on top. Watered it down. And then I went out, mowed the lawn. We had a ton of leaves. I have fescue mixed with Bermuda. So in the hot summers, the fescue tends to go dormant when it's really hot, July, August. And then the Bermuda starts, it'll grow no matter what. But you can see fescue's still growing. So I'm going to be able to get more compost here. So the idea, second bin, twice as big as the first heap. Then I got this bin, starter, just did this about a week ago. So what I'm going to do is the top here, if you think of Tetris, you know, everything cakes down, goes down one level. So the top, I'm going to take, flip it, that's going to go in the middle. Take the top, flip it, set it right here. Okay, take the middle, flip it, that's going to go on the bottom. So that's going to go here. And then take the bottom, flip it, that's going to go here. Then I'm going to take this second heap, take the top, flip it, put it on the bottom. Take the middle, flip it, put it in the middle. Take the bottom, flip it, put it on top. Then I'm going to take the bottom of this original pile. Wait, no. Take the top. Take the top of the original pile. Put it on this heap. Then take... No, wait. This is the middle. So the middle of the original pile is going to go on the bottom. So it's down one. Middle goes to the bottom. So take the middle, put it on the bottom. Take the top, put it in the middle. Take the bottom, put it on top. Water the whole thing down. This is my vermi-compost. You know, this thing used to be full up to about here. So it was a lot of vermi-compost here. Over the last 2 years, I used a ton of it this year. So this is what I got left. These are just old peace plants that died. But you can see casserole. There's a General Tso's chicken. I'm sure the worms will like that. But I did want to give you an update on how the original organic compost from about a month ago is turning out. And you can see that soil. See? That's compost, pretty much done. So that's going to be good to go. As more leaves fall and we still have grass, lantana bush, canes, pumpkin plant, you know, all the summer, late summer stuff is starting to die off. We're going to do more composting. I took down 3 trees over here that I'm going to use for my new garden beds. You know, the gardens for the last 3 years have been just kind of experimental, seeing what works, where, you know. What I figured out is this is going to be the winter bed. Although cucumbers and tomatoes do great up here, this gets a lot of sun in the summer. So it's not real extensive, but that's going to be cucumber, tomato in the summer. These over here, this is a new bed that way. You know, that's kind of a western garden back there where the netting is. We're gonna get all this fenced in. So now that we're done pretty much taking down trees, we're gonna do a fence, 8-footer, to keep the deer out. The deer for the last 2-3 years have been, you know, non-stop pest, you know, as far as gardening. But I still have 3 full trees down over here. I de-limbed. We're going to strip them down, cut them up, make the logs into the raised garden bed sides, and then I'm going to do no dig gardens down there. So saving all the cardboard, and we're just going to compost out. So that's the idea. Probably do 4 or 5 to start with. I'm going to use the kids' old swing set as a trellis in the back. This is going to be gone next year. All the beds are going to be pushed this way. The sun in the summer usually comes up here and, you know, so comes up over here and sets right here in the corner. So all this gets a lot of sun in the summer, and that's the morning sun. So that's going to be our south, I guess, western garden beds down here. And let's see, deer got in and ate the pumpkin plant, a lot of it, but still got a few pumpkins left. I ended up with about 4 this year. Only did 2 of 2 plants, and you can see the deer stripped a lot of the leaves just the other day. I had to get my slingshot out. they got, I guess this is an eggplant. They got to it too. I'm not really worried about it. There's a cabbage right there. A lot of this stuff I brought inside to the garage to do a little greenhousing in the garage this year. So, but it's definitely compost season with all the leaves down. It's almost like they're already mixed. So if you still have grass and you got leaves, you know, use your lawnmower, put the bag on it, save it, and compost. Start doing your heaps, you know. At the end of the year, come springtime, you know, you're going to have some fresh compost that's probably better than store-bought for your garden beds. And it doesn't cost anything. So just wanted to give you an update. That's all from the Reed Homestead. Hope everyone, hey, better late than never, right? So until next time, God bless. Reed Homestead out. See ya.